Welcome to the new episode where we unveil the future of agriculture. Get ready to dive into the world of modern agriculture as we uncover the latest innovations in farming technology. From state-of-the-art machinery to revolutionary tools, we're here to explore how these advancements are shaping the future of farming. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind the machines that are revolutionizing the way we grow our food. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and let's explore together. Autonomous tractors. Our journey begins with a closer look at autonomous tractors, the workhorses of modern farming operations. Witness these marvels of engineering as they navigate fields with precision, guided by GPS technology and sophisticated sensors. From planting and tilling to spraying and harvesting, autonomous tractors revolutionize farm work, allowing farmers to maximize efficiency and reduce labor costs while minimizing environmental impact. Join us as we explore the capabilities and benefits of these game-changing machines. Precision planting systems. Next, we delve into the realm of precision planting systems, where every seed is placed with accuracy and care. Discover how advanced equipment, such as variable rate seeders and precision seed drills, optimize planting depth, spacing, and placement to maximize crop yield and minimize waste. From row crop fields to orchards and vineyards, precision planting systems ensure optimal conditions for seed germination and plant growth, resulting in healthier crops and higher profits for farmers. Join us as we witness the precision and efficiency of these cutting-edge planting technologies. Drone technology for crop monitoring. In this segment, we take to the skies with drone technology for crop monitoring, offering farmers a bird's-eye view of their fields like never before. Witness drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and multispectral sensors as they capture detailed imagery and data on crop health, pest infestations, and soil conditions. From early detection of crop stress to targeted application of inputs, drone technology enables farmers to make informed decisions and optimize yield while reducing inputs and environmental impact. Join us as we explore the transformative potential of drones in modern agriculture. Smart irrigation systems. Prepare to be amazed by smart irrigation systems that revolutionize water management in agriculture. Witness the integration of sensors, weather forecasts, and data analytics to optimize irrigation scheduling and delivery, ensuring crops receive the right amount of water at the right time. From drip irrigation and pivot systems to soil moisture sensors and automated controls, smart irrigation systems conserve water, reduce energy costs, and improve crop quality and yield. Join us as we dive into the world of precision irrigation and its role in sustainable farming practices. Robotic harvesting solutions. In this segment, we explore the frontier of robotic harvesting solutions that are transforming the way we gather crops. Witness robotic arms and harvesters as they delicately pick fruits, vegetables, and nuts with speed and precision, minimizing damage and maximizing yield. From orchards and vineyards to greenhouse operations, robotic harvesting solutions streamline labor-intensive tasks, reduce dependence on seasonal labor, and ensure a consistent supply of high-quality produce to market. Join us as we marvel at the ingenuity and efficiency of these cutting-edge harvesting technologies. Soil health monitoring systems. In this segment, we delve into soil health monitoring systems that provide farmers with vital insights into the condition of their land. Witness advanced sensors and probes measuring soil pH, nutrient levels, and compaction, allowing farmers to tailor their management practices for optimal crop growth. From precision agriculture to regenerative farming, soil health monitoring systems empower farmers to make data-driven decisions that promote soil fertility, resilience, and long-term sustainability. Join us as we explore the importance of soil health in modern agriculture and the role of technology in preserving this precious resource. Climate-resilient crop varieties. Prepare to be amazed by climate-resilient crop varieties that are bred to thrive in challenging growing conditions. Witness scientists and breeders utilizing advanced genetics and molecular techniques to develop crops that are resistant to drought, heat, pests, and diseases. From genetically modified organisms, GMOs, to gene editing technologies like CRISPR, these innovative crop varieties offer farmers new tools to adapt to a changing climate and ensure food security for future generations. Join us as we discover the potential of climate-resilient crops to transform agriculture and safeguard global food supplies. Vertical farming systems. Next, we ascend to the heights of vertical farming systems that redefine the concept of agriculture in urban environments. Witness towering racks of hydroponic and aeroponic growing systems, where crops are cultivated indoors under controlled conditions without soil. From leafy greens and herbs to strawberries and microgreens, vertical farming systems maximize space utilization, conserve water, and minimize transportation distances, offering fresh, locally grown produce year-round. Join us as we explore the innovative technologies and sustainable practices driving the vertical farming revolution and reshaping the future of food production. AI-powered pest management. In this segment, we confront the age-old challenge of pest management with AI-powered solutions that offer a smarter, more sustainable approach. Witness machine learning algorithms analyzing data from sensors, cameras, and satellite imagery to identify pest outbreaks and prescribe targeted interventions. From integrated pest management (IPM) strategies to precision spraying systems, AI-powered pest management minimizes pesticide use, reduces environmental impact, and protects beneficial insects and biodiversity. Join us as we witness the convergence of technology and ecology in the fight against agricultural pests. Biodegradable packaging solutions. Prepare to be inspired by biodegradable packaging solutions that address the growing challenge of plastic waste in agriculture. Witness innovative materials derived from plant-based sources, such as bioplastics and compostable films, replacing traditional plastic packaging for fresh produce and agricultural inputs. From seed trays and mulch films to food packaging and agricultural nets, biodegradable solutions offer a sustainable alternative that minimizes environmental pollution and supports a circular economy. Join us as we explore the promise of biodegradable packaging in reducing plastic waste and preserving our planet for future generations. Aquaponics and integrated farming systems. In this segment, we dive into the world of aquaponics and integrated farming systems that blur the lines between agriculture and aquaculture. Witness the symbiotic relationship between fish and plants in closed-loop ecosystems, where nutrient-rich water from aquaculture tanks fertilizes crops grown hydroponically. From tilapia and trout to lettuce and tomatoes, aquaponic systems offer a sustainable and efficient method of food production that conserves water, reduces nutrient runoff, and maximizes resource utilization. Join us as we explore the potential of integrated farming systems to provide nutritious food while minimizing environmental impact. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of cutting-edge farming equipment that is propelling agriculture into the future. We hope you've been inspired by the incredible advancements and innovations driving sustainability, efficiency, and productivity in farming. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content on the intersection of technology and agriculture. Until next time, keep dreaming big, embracing innovation, and cultivating a brighter future for farming and food production. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey, and may your fields be forever fertile and your harvests abundant.